Fine friends, welcome to how to set up virtual classroom, and in this video lecture we'll see how to generate the certificate using Autocrat. Now let's start. First we'll go to Google Drive. And from this Google Drive I'll select the response file. So I'm selecting all the responses and generate the Excel sheet. So it will take some time. Now the Excel sheet is loaded. And now we'll go to add-ons. From add-ons, get add-ons, that is I have to install Autocrat if it is not installed. So I'll go to add-ons and then I'll say get add-ons. Now this will show all the list of add-ons, and out of that I'll select Autocrat. Now let's install it, but prior to installation I have to give him permission. So I have to select my Gmail ID. So here my Gmail ID is being selected, and then I want to give permission to access my Google account to Autocrat. So say allow. So all the permissions are given. Now it is installing Autocrat. So installation is in progress. It will take some time. Fine. Now the Autocrat has been installed. So say done. And let's see what are the changes in the Excel sheet or the spreadsheet. So here you can say Autocrat and open. So I'm opening the Autocrat. It will take some few seconds to get it loaded. So loading is in progress. Okay, fine. Autocrat is loaded, and I'll say new job. So I'll click on new job. Now I'll see the criteria which I have set. So you can see the one who are passing are ticked, and the one which are not qualified as not ticked. So which are not ticked, for them certificate won't be generated. Fine. Now I will create another Excel sheet of only the names which I want to put it on my certificate. So I'll select this and I'll copy. I'm selecting all these names with the column title also. Column title is full name. So I've selected and I've created a new spreadsheet. So I'll say new spreadsheet. And I'll paste that data here. Okay, fine. The data is pasted. Now you can see the first row is the full name and actual name starts with second row. Fine. So I'll go to add-ons. I'll say launch Autocrat. So it is being launched. It will take some few seconds again to get it loaded in the memory. Fine, now it is ready. So I'll say the new job. and I also saved my Excel sheet with the trial certificates name. So the new job is being created. So I have to give some name. So I'm giving trial. Next, I have to select the template. Now I can select my own created template or the existing template of Google Slides. So here I'm selecting my own created template. But remember one thing, it should be always in the Google Slide format. In Google Slide, you can even set a background image, or you can insert an image in the Google Slide. So it will take some time for loading. So I've already told you the certificate format should be always in Google Slide. So I'm selecting this template, which is mine created one, and I'll say okay. Next, and then I have to map that. Now you can see full name here should match with the column title of the spreadsheet. So see, this full name should match with the full name which is written on the certificate, but it should be included in angular brackets. That is compulsory. It should be included in bracket, and so it's next. Now to map the fields. So I'll select the sheet 1 first because it is the sheet 1, and the heading is in the row 1. I've already told you the row 1 is the heading, that is full name, and the actual data starts with the second row. So I have to select the second row. So I'm mapping this full name with the full name which is there on the certificate, and say next. So I have to select the file name. So I need a dynamic name generation. So I'll put full name in bracket so that every file name will be the name which is there in the column, that is the participant's name. So it's easy for them to search the file. Then I'll select the format, Google Slide or PDF. So I'll select this time PDF. And I'll say next. Now I'll select the destination folder. So it's always better to store the certificates in a different folder. So here I'll create one more folder. I'll go to Google Drive first. So in a Google Drive, I'll create a folder. And the name of the folder is Trial Certificates. And I'll say create. So the folder is created with the name Trial Certificate. Now I'll go to my job again. So here I'll select the destination folder. So I'm selecting the destination folder, or the folder where the certificate is to be stored, as Trial Certificate. Say next. So again say next. So again next. Share document and send mail. Whatever is the setting, keep as it is. Add and remove the job trigger. Whatever the setting, keep it as it is. Don't do any changes. So my job is being saved. So job name was trial. Now I'll say start that certificate creation. So click on start. Play button. Now see what is happening exactly at the background. See, the moment first certificate is generated, its entry is done in the first row. the certificate generation is in progress. So see, the rows are increasing. Now let's see what is happening in the folder. Let's go to trial certificate. So see, already certificates are generated here. It is increasing one by one. Now the moment I open it, see, the full name is replaced by the name of the participant. In this way, the column names are merged with certificate. And you can see at the background, the number of rows are increasing. So certificate generation is in progress. So in this way, we can generate the certificates. So I hope you have understood this process and the complete course, that is how to set up the virtual classroom. In this course, we have seen how to use Google Forms, Google Quiz, how to set up the Google Classroom, how to use the utility, and how to generate the certificate. So once you do this complete course, you can set a complete classroom, you can give the material to the student, you can take the feedback from the student, you can take response from the student, you can take the test of the student, and of course you can generate the certificate. So I hope you might have enjoyed this session, and if you have really liked this session, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get the notification as soon as my new video is uploaded. And stay safe, stay at home, take care, enjoy.